So, for this video, we're going to answer the following question throughout for this video. And here are the questions that we needed to answer and for this lab on GNS3. So, the first one, which is host 192.168.1.0 and 192.168.2.0 networks cannot communicate each other. So, meaning, pag ipiping ko yung PC4 sa PC1, hindi na mapiping, and so on. So, number 2, which is yung host 192.168.2.0 network cannot access the server 1. So, meaning, yung host na 192.168.2.0 hindi nila ma-access yung 192.168.3.0. So, the first thing we're gonna do here is to creating name ACL router 1 on. By the way, this is name ACL lab. So, first thing we're gonna do here is to apply ACL on router 1, which is ito. So, what we're gonna do here is we want to allow PC1 to not allow PC2 and so on hanggang dito sa PC3. So, first thing is IP access list standard 2 to 1. And then i-deny natin yung mga makakapag-ping dito sa PC1, which is ay makaka-access dito sa host ng 192.168.1.0. So, 192.168.2.0. Tapos, yung wildcard mask niya is 0.0.0255. Permit any exit. Okay. Number 2, which is i-apply natin siya sa F00 outbound from reaching 192.168.2.0. So, in F0 IP access group 221 out. So, ayan. So, second one, which is we're gonna block 192.168.10 from reaching 192.168.2.0. So, kabaliktaran lang naman itong gagawin natin. So, IP access list standard 1 to 2 naman to. So, i-deny natin yung 192.168.1.0 and then permit any exit. Tapos, yung apply naman natin ito sa F10 outbound, which is ito. Para so that no traffic from 192.168.1.0 host can go over to host 192.168.2.0. So, IP access group 1 to 2 out. So, sa R2 naman is devices from 192.168.2.0 like PC3, PC4 are denied and everyone else like PC1 and PC2 to allow go through. So ito siya. IP access this standard 2 to 3. Deny 192.168.2.0. Permit any exit. So test connectivity natin, which is yung PC1, dapat hindi niya ma-access tong PC3, PC3 and PC4. So ping 192.168.3.2.13. So ayan, nagre-request timeout yan kasi gumana yung ACL na ginawa natin. So sa ano naman, PC4 2.14. So meaning, yung ginawa nating name ACL is, or access list ACL is working fine. So dito naman sa PC2, so so ayan, ping 192.168.2.14. So dito naman tayo sa PC3, ping 192.168.1.11. So same as lang doon sa request timeout, which is it prohibit lang yung pag-access ng both devices. And for this, so meaning, nagpiping yung same host pero hindi nagpiping itong host na 192.168.1.0 dito sa 192.168.2.0. So nasatisfy naman natin yung question number 1, which is host in 192.168.1.0 and 192.168.2.0 networks cannot communicate with each other. So number 2, which is host in 192.168.2.0 network cannot access the 192.168.3.0 network. So in order to do that, iping natin yung PC1 sa server 1. So ping 192.168.3.100. So dito dapat itong host ng PC1 at PC2 can access server 1. So meaning na-access naman ng PC1 yung server 1. So dito tayo sa server 3 if it pings the server 1. 192.168.3.100. So that's it for this video. And we satisfy host that 192.168.2.0 network can access the 192.168.3.0 network. Okay.